In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search in Outlook all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a busy inbox or trying to locate that important email from last month, knowing how to use the Outlook search feature can save you a lot of time and hassle. So grab a comfortable seat and let's dive right in. First things first, before we can perform any searches, you'll need to be logged into your Outlook account. To do this, head over to the official Microsoft Outlook login page. This is where you'll enter your credentials to access your email. If you don't already have your login details handy, I recommend pausing the video to find them before moving on. Once you're ready, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to a screen where you can input your username and password. If you encounter any issues while logging in, ensure that you're using the correct credentials, and if necessary, use the forgot password option to recover your account information. Now that you're logged into your Outlook account, the next step is to navigate to your inbox. You can do this by selecting Mail on the Outlook homepage. This will bring up your inbox containing all your emails. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you need to. The more comfortable you are with the interface, the simpler this process will be. At the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on the search bar, you'll activate Outlook's search feature, allowing you to find specific emails quickly and easily. The search bar is visible and accessible on the top section of your inbox page. Now, when using the search bar, remember to be specific with your search terms to get the best results. You can use keywords from the subject line of the email you're looking for, or even the name of the person who sent it. For those times when you are dealing with a flooded inbox, you can also refine your search results by using filters such as date ranges, categories, or attachments. This can be incredibly helpful when you're attempting to locate a particular email among several others. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to sign into Outlook, navigate to your mail, and effectively use the search bar to find emails quickly. As simple as it may seem, mastering these steps can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your email management. I encourage you to practice this a few times to become more efficient with each search. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips helpful in your day-to-day email tasks. See you in the next video.